how to send text message using email on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can send text message using your email on iPhone. But remember, for this you'll have to use the iMessage feature. It's a super handy trick, so let's dive right in. First, grab your iPhone and open up the settings app and then scroll down and then tap on apps. There on the search bar, search for messages. Go ahead and tap on it. Under message, you can see send and receive option. Go ahead and tap on it. That there is your number and your email. So you have to make sure that you tick on your email address. So that's it. Now you can receive iMessages to that email and reply from it as well. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.